back to talk to you about improving your eyesight. I've got one trick that you can use to improve your vision, reverse your myopia. So, I've done a short video about this where I show myself looking into the distance at the horizon for 10 minutes. And I say if you do this uninterrupted every day, it can improve your vision. Would you believe that? Would you? Probably bullshit, isn't it? Probably nonsense, isn't it? Well, I've done it. I've reversed my eyesight from -2 back to 0. 0 being 20/20 vision. Many other people have done it as well. I have one client at the moment, she's on -4, having started at -6. That's an incredible amount of progress, and thousands of anecdotes of people who have done this. So I say that's one thing you can do. There's also a couple of other things you can do. If you combine doing active focus every day, especially if you've got a strong prescription of -1.5 or above, so 2, -3, -4, is to get yourself differential glasses. These are weaker glasses that you will wear when you're doing close-up vision. So like working on your computer, reading books, things like this, or even just walking about the house. So these will help to stop you having any eye strain, and then when you combine that with doing active focus, this is what reverses your myopia. So that's just a little something there. Hope you found it useful. See you in the next video.